4 a.m. in Houston. Storm alert continues on the Weather Channel as we bring you the latest on the massive hurricane entering the Gulf of Mexico.
And let's go ahead and show you the very latest here on Hurricane Ivan. This is the 5 o'clock advisory just in from the Hurricane Center, where the winds maintain 160 miles per hour. It continues to be a Category 5 hurricane. It is moving northwest at 9. The pressure is 925 millibars, and that's from Air Force reservists in there investigating. Now, the projected path of Ivan does keep it on a northerly track and then curving more northeasterly with time. Landfall somewhere Wednesday night into Thursday. So folks along the Gulf Coast, anywhere from Louisiana over to the Big Bend area, again, we have to watch this very closely over the next 24 hours.
Now, here are the latest pictures to come out of Cuba on the damage caused by Ivan on Monday. Floodwaters fill the streets, power lines are down, trees are uprooted. Sustained winds of 124 miles per hour lashed Cuba, with gusts of 162 miles an hour, and 1.5 million people evacuated the coast for higher ground. And those gusts, that 160-mile-an-hour gust, 90 miles east of the eye.
Yeah, so hurricane force winds extend out, well, 100 miles, tropical storm over 200 miles.
We still have some travel problems that will be associated with Ivan, and of course those will only increase in the hours to come.
Yeah, Jen Carfagna, our travel analyst, keeping a close eye on this. And folks, probably some folks heading down this morning to maybe board up some of their condos or timeshares.
And so at least there is some good news there that we have
5 strength. So again, this is still a very dangerous hurricane, and we think it will be as it continues to move northward, and we think it will be at least a major hurricane when it makes landfall. So it's capable of a lot of destruction. So some of those bands already coming into the Keys. We've had winds gusting up to 40 to 50 miles per hour yesterday. This morning up to about 20 miles per hour. Still very heavy rain here in western Cuba. Again, as Nick talked about, 124 mile per hour wind gust, or sustained winds here. So hurricane warnings continue to be up here. Hurricane watches from Morgan City to St. Mark's, which means within the next 36 hours we're expecting hurricane conditions. We should start to see the winds pick up tomorrow morning here along the coastal areas. For today, though, the beaches may look inviting with those big waves. Stay out of the water, though. Dangerous rip currents all along the Gulf Coast. So please stay out of the water. Now, what we don't know is the exact landfall location and intensity. What we do know, though, is widespread impacts will occur regardless of where the center makes landfall. Of course, east of the center will get the worst of it. But don't forget, again, tropical storm force winds extend out 200 miles. Hurricane winds, hurricane force winds, almost 100 miles. So again, a large area will be impacted by this hurricane. Right now, some of those bands, again, coming into southern Florida, and we think the winds will get gusty here along the beaches, and that includes here in Tampa later on today. We could see well over an inch of rain. So again, a big concern for folks in Florida, where we're going to see some very heavy rain and the possibility of some flooding. Now, for the rest